Hello guys, welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. If it's your first time guys over on my channel, thank you so much for tuning in, and since you're here already guys, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to also turn your post notification bell so whenever time I drop a video you will be the first to be notified. And also guys, give your girls a thumbs up, and feel free to like, share and comment under the video. I actually love and enjoy interacting with you guys in the comment section. And for all my subbies who support me week after week, thank you so much for your subscription. I do appreciate the support. I do appreciate the love. So guys, it's March break. So today's what, Tuesday? It's the second day of March break. I haven't done anything with the kids as yet because I'm actually waiting for Obi's day off, right? And he's off tomorrow for the next 2 days. So I'm like, okay, why not? Let us do something with them on those 2 days when he's off. So today we're heading to the dentist. Aquan and Kamani has a dentist appointment, so that's where we're heading now. And then I will have some running around to do some errands. I ordered guys, I wanted to try the Too Faced foundation and concealer, but guys, I'm gonna go back to NARS. It ain't Too Facing for me. I think I have the wrong shade, and I just don't have the patience for that right now guys. So I'm gonna go back to what I know. So that's going back to NARS. And I might get something else while I'm at Sephora, and I might do I might grab them a little bites. So that's what I'll be doing now. I'm heading to the dentist and then some errands. So guys, aren't you guys gonna say hi to the lifestylers?
Hello.
That's it. Wani, aren't you gonna say hi?
Good evening.
Good evening. So we're going now guys, and I'm actually running late. So anyway guys, taking you guys along with Aquan. Just come out of my video. If you have nothing better for do, just don't come in my video.
Try to make it entertaining.
No, it's not funny. So anyways guys, I will take you guys along with me. That's entertaining.
Please stop the video.
Yes guys, so see you guys at the Aquan. Don't finish my water. Don't finish it. I said have a little, not sit and drink it off. Anyways guys, see you guys later. Come on, he's getting his teeth clean. You don't mind me vlogging. I just won't put the camera on you, okay?
Oh, don't worry.
Okay. Let's hear if Kamani has any cavities. If Kamani's been brushing properly. Because guys, believe it or not, promise, brush better than Kamani. My 4-year-old, she brushes better than Kamani.
Oh, really?
And longer.
Kids can be different.
Right?
Some kids, they love brushing their teeth. They don't.
For him?
Yeah. But can you move a little bit higher? Yeah, push it a little bit more so we can see better. You okay? Yeah. I'm gonna start the cleaning now. Raise your hand if you want me to pause, okay? Okay. Open this.
Let me see.
I'm not doing that.
Let's see. This baby has good teeth. Let me see who has the better teeth. Your teeth look like my acorn. Guys, acorn want braces, but he's gonna work and pay for that. Really, Mommy?
I'm so good.
Why Money are going like him on train? Money, what proper? Hey, fun. Look at Money are going like him on carry pinpoint. Money, why you acting like you're bringing that big, heavy brick? Huh?
Cause I don't want to mess up my job.
No, you don't have to. Just effortless. Huh?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Shit.
You saying for me to wear, or you?
No.
Oh. I was just asking.
Just make sure you're holding the camera properly.
What section are we
Like
even in?
straight. Yeah. Like, you don't know which way this could have been for you.
Did you know this was the women's section?
Why am
Exactly. That's what
looking
I
for
thought
something
too.
for you? You have so many clothes you can't even fit in your drawer.
I want that.
You know, I was looking at this at another store, but it looked big.
Because it is big.
Medium. I have so much black tops though. Are you looking what you're doing?
Yes. It's on you. Are you cussing me
You're the
out?
worst person to ask do anything, but you love when people.
It's
do things for you.
recording you. What else do you want me to say? We're out, like, I'm literally in a straight. Why did I not get a bouncy ball too? Damn shit. Yeah. Cause I want you. Yo, my head is killing me. When the girl did it, she was literally so aggressive.
The lady,
Yes.
because maybe you have a lot of built up on your teeth.
She literally said I had beautiful teeth. What do you mean I had a lot of build-up?
Huh?
She literally said I had beautiful teeth. What do you mean that's a lot of build-up?
So why was she scrubbing so hard then?
Maybe she's just an aggressive person. Like you.
What?
Like you.
Who?
You.
I'm not an aggressive. What? Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Come on, he's not getting McDonald's. It's half an hour. She said half an hour for me, so that's 30 minutes. So I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna eat McDonald's in your no.
Close it, so.
I'm about to eat good.
No, but you can eat acorn.
She said half an hour.
So why money won't say 2 hours?
We're not the same person. How you trying on something you didn't even buy?
I can. Watch that. Pick up that.
How's she trying on something she didn't even buy?
Having my thing back?
No.
Yes. Back,
Don't
man.
focus on putting in her stuff. Like, you don't need it.
You don't even put me back.
You got a thief. Thief!
I can try it. But I need
You got a thief. You got a thief.
of this. I think I would do better with a large. It fits, but
I need to put the ball back, man.
Not till I'm done recording. So we're both gonna separate. Till I'm done recording, you're not getting your ball back.
oh, this is too tight.
It's too tight. You're done recording.
No, I'm not.
It's recording for fake state.
Recording what?
Stop.
I want my ball back.
You're not giving your ball back till I'm done recording.
Sometimes I have to wonder how old you be.
What did I do?
I want to look like I was a straight.
Oh yeah, that's something you needed.
You do.
Whoa.
Oh, and this is why we don't put on stuff without buying it. Thief.
My AirPods.
I wonder how old you are.
My AirPods.
I can't bend
Don't you see when I was taking off, I hold on my wig?
Yes.
Pick up my AirPods.
Take up your AirPods.
I can't.
Don't say what in public.
You said wig.
So what?
You can't say that.
Where's the AirPod? Sorry.
Now can you?
Small for the camera. Cause last
Did you
time,
pick up the thing?
last time they saw your teeth, it was yellow.
Bruh.
Huh? I'm just saying. Last time they saw your teeth, it was yellow.
They even something like what? Four, like.
Do something cool. Do something cool. Do something cool.
Look, this is what my teeth look like right now.
Your teeth are not that straight.
At least I don't have a big gap from my teeth.
Let me see. Guys. Guys. So I met, and oh, could I forget to vlog? Guys, I met up with two of my, well,
For like an hour.
guys, I ran into two of my girlfriends and we were chatting and I totally forgot to vlog. Sometimes the vlogger forgets to vlog. You know? My goodness. How can I forget? So you couldn't vlog for me?
You didn't ask me to.
Yeah, like you're that thoughtful about.
Are you like show yourself?
Guys, it's actually plus 16.5. Hot.
Oh, she ran here and messed up my teeth.
What she did? It's gonna, you have to just
Take your time next time, sweetheart.
Aquan, what's your vote? Where am I going?
To Sephora.
In Burlington.
So you tell me we're going all the way to Burlington to
And then we'll just go by Dad.
I'm hungry.
You never eat today?
No.
You eat.
Eat pancakes.
I want Wendy's though.
What?
Wendy's.
What buy you Wendy's?
Not-
With your own money?
Wait, were you gonna pay for me if we got food?
No. Maybe you shouldn't eat nothing now.
No, it's like the way she was scraping my tooth. Oh my god, it wasn't even my tooth, it was my gums.
No, because she has to scrape under the gum too.
But like mine has never hurt like this before.
Really?
Maybe it's your wisdom.
It's literally my head's hurting me. That's how bad it is.
So she scrape. that hygiene is true. She a bit aggressive because anytime she clean my teeth,
Wait, it's the same lady that cleans your teeth too?
If I need data.
She
it
aggressive
hurt
too?
me out for 1-2 days. Cause she go under the gum. She go under the gum, go scrape.
It's on.
What?
My data.
Guys, when I tell you I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Anyway, guys.
What sauce is this?
It's garlic sauce.
Can I get garlic sauce, please?
Only these two?
Oh, yes, please. What? Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, yes, please.
You want hot sauce?
Oh, yes, please.
And then what go in there? The chicken and stuff?
Yeah.
So guys, Sephora unboxing.
I'm not eating here.
Where are you eating?
In the car.
In whose car?
I'm not eating here.
We're not leaving here till 7 so you can eat. Go get money something.
Go get Marty something.
What about Kate? You said you want, what do you want, money? Huh? Burrito? Huh?
You don't know what he's getting.
So guys, let's do our Sephora haul. So I got this and I wear 13 neutral. And NARS. I'm sure certain this is not my color. It is my color, MD5. Got these masks for dark puffy hat. And they were $2.75. So I'll let you guys know if it did anything. That's it. Guys, I'm tired. Tired. So tired. Miss, where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? You going to the movies? Yeah? Promise going to the movies. Why your hair full of so much fuzz?
Sweater.
And your glasses need. Hey guys, so the kids are on March break, and I said your glasses need to clean. I speak English, right? So guys, the kids are on March break, and we're out here trying to watch Kung Fu Panda. So you can start. Excuse me. Is there a show that starts 5:35 for Kung Fu Panda? What is the difference? What is Screen X and
Screen X? It's technically 3 screens, so there's one in front of you, and then at certain parts of the film, it like spans to the walls.
oh, okay. All right, we'll do that.
Next one is 5:35. They're on.
Yeah, I'll do that one. Can't get the popcorn. It's 2 adults.
Yeah. Are you paying debit or credit?
Debit.
Okay. You can just use the here, or concession can help you out as well. Concession just can help you out with tickets as well. Yeah, you guys can just go right through one.
Where she said can help us out with tickets.
Just go right through on the concession. They can help you out.
Okay. Wanna buy 3 tickets? Right here? Come, no, we're gonna get tickets first. Let's get tickets. That.
It has to be from the top two.
It is top 2, money. Put that back. Top 2. Yeah, or yeah.
Just getting two of the same thing.
How much is that?
Yeah, one day. Oh, yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Do you want any butter on your popcorn?
Yes, please.
Layered or just hotel?
Layer. Here, promise. Let's do it.
It will be $82.90.
Everywhere you go, you want stuffed toys. Hold your stuffed toy. So guys, we got a popcorn. This one? Right here. Number 8, right? 8. One giving us a rundown about the movie. How was the movie, Promise?
It's a good movie.
Yeah? What did you like?
Panda.
You like Panda? Where's the washroom? Did I walk past the washroom? Yeah. So guys, Kung Fu Panda
Yeah,
was a
Panda.
good movie.
Hey,
However,
movies. Yeah, everyone did
it's
part.
a bit scary, I would say, for younger kids. Come, that's not mommy car. Yeah, it's a bit scary for younger kids, and there was some part on it that, you know, I didn't like, but next time I will do more research. But it, you know, I love the part where like the good guy, like this, the spirit, the Kung Fu Panda, where like he was like a spiritual leader, where he overpowered the sorcerer, the devil, like the devil worker. Yeah, like my love how him turned out very like him overpowered the devil, you know, so he was very victorious. So I love how it ended in that. Yeah, and then the bad guy, the guy that betrayed the what is it, like a rabbit that betrayed Panda, like he ended up doing the right thing and went back and helped him. So yeah, but your money. Yeah, so other than that, yeah. So we're heading home, but I'm gonna stop at Costco and get some toiletry, and that's that. What? What happened?
Panda.
Panda? Yeah?
Panda's so great.
Yeah?
And Panda's winner.
Yeah, Panda won, for real. Yeah. Panda overpower the wicked lizard or wizard, whatever, sorcerer, the alien, chameleon. Yeah, Kung Fu Panda. Yeah, it was a good movie.
It's a good movie.
Yeah.
Chase that movie too. Chase that movie.
Yeah. Where am I going?
I'm at the car again.
Where am I going? Take shortcuts. We're taking shortcuts. Hi, Promise.
Hi.
What you doing?
Doing look at Chase.
Yeah, you're in Chase riding around in Costco.
Chase goes to supermarket.
Yeah.
And Chase goes sit there. You okay?
So guys, this is all I got. Toiletry. Paper towel. Mommy said she wanted this. And I got this. This should last me a long time. And water. That's all I got. Bum, bum. I promise.
Hi.
What you doing?
Look, Dad.
Huh?
Look, Dad.
Playing with Dad? We were out for a very long time.
Yeah, have a sleep.
Hmm?
Why do that sleep?
Yeah.
Chase wants sleep.
Yeah?
Chase wants to go to the house. Hey, my Chase. Hey, hey,
Stop pushing.
What? Look at it. Just wait, I have to pull the front door first. Hello guys, welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. Guys, it's been a minute since your girl has picked up the camera. I'm here and I'm in the kitchen. So your girl will be making Jamaican steamed fish. Guys, everybody in my house been craving steamed fish. Over the Easter we had escovitch fish, but for me guys, I have not been in the kitchen in a minute. I love steamed fish and stuff, and I love my own steamed fish. So I'm saying, you know what, let me give my mom a break out the kitchen, you know, and come and make a quick dinner. So guys, I'm making escovitch. No, I'm making steamed fish with crackers, Jamaican Excelsior tough crackers. Yes, so I'm like, why not take my lifestylers in the kitchen? Because it's been a minute since, you know, me and Uno engage and talk and stuff. So I'm like, let me take the lifestylers in the kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna show you, I've done a little prepping already, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have done so far. All right, I'll try to give you guys step by step, so in case you guys want to try and make it for yourself. All right, so guys, I don't know if you all can see, but that's what I've done so far. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. I'm gonna give you a close-up, guys, okay? Right now, I don't have no camera. I'm not a camera person. Me one in the kitchen and mommy is not a good camera girl. I'm cutting up the okras now, guys. Cleaning them. I have them soaking in water, so I'm just cutting off the head. So guys, you know how, you see, or like how my mom can't even steam 4-5 fish at a time in the pot. I can't do that. I have to do two at a time. Me is no big chef, guys. So, I have to do it how me can do it. My husband I'm gonna be like 3 fish, 2 fish at a time. So me is no big professional. So let me show you guys. So guys, let me give you a step-by-step of what I've already prepped. So I have the carrots here, I have thyme, I have onion, I have garlic, I have scallion, I have okra, I have pumpkin, squash, you know, use whichever you have, and I have Scotch bonnet pepper there. All right, so that's all that I have prepped, and then I have some okra here soaking to make the second batch. Okay, so guys, I'm using I can use any butter pretty much, but I'm using this butter, country crock, and I'm putting this amount in there. So I'm gonna saute. Once it's melted, I'm gonna add the seasoning. Okay. Yep. So guys, over here I have the fish. I have already seasoned them with fish season, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper. I didn't put any salt because the seasoned salt sometimes. And this is the Excelsior crackers that I'll be topping it off with. All right, that's the fish. So guys, I'm gonna add first, I'm gonna add some pepper. So I have the butter in the pot, so I'm gonna add the scallion, the thyme, the garlic, and the onion. And I'm gonna add the carrots too. Pepper. A fumes up already, guys. Okay. So yes, guys. So now I have the pepper. So guys, I'm gonna add the carrots too. The carrots kind of take a while to cook. So I'm gonna add the carrots too. Guys, the pepper is peppering. So over here, guys, this is squash. So I'm gonna add it. It will give it a little body. So I'm not gonna add the guys, I'm not gonna add the okra until last. So I'm just gonna let this, guys, cook for a little. I feel like I'm gonna add a little more butter. Yeah. And guys, I'm gonna put a little coconut cream in mine. Yeah. Go closer. I can go look at put it in the pot. So yes, guys. So guys, may I let that go and simmer? No simmer. Go and saute, yeah. No, I have enough. I make that go and saute, guys. And then I'm gonna add some water, coconut cream. Alright, so when I come back, I'm gonna add the water, coconut cream, and season it down a little, okay? So guys, I'm gonna add, so far guys, I've put a little bit of water in here and some coconut cream. So that's what's in the pot. So now I'm gonna add some of this to season the pot. some people, I'm wondering if I should sift it out. Yeah, because I don't want the noodle. Guys, I'm gonna sift it because I don't want the noodles in there. So see, I just want the season. Guys, it smells so good. So guys, I'm gonna add a little fish and meat sauce. Just a little tips, not too much. Just a little bit. I might add a little salt after I taste it. Guys, the sauce is cooked, so not cooked, but the stuff inside, the seasoning cooked, so I'm gonna add the fish to it now. Hold it over the stove here. So guys, I'm gonna try and put them here now, so the fish have space to bubble like it in a trouble. So guys, I'm gonna cover the pot, and then, or should I put the okra in then? I'm gonna put the okra on top. And then after, I'm gonna come back when it's almost. So guys, I'm gonna make the pepper burst just for the flavor. So I'm gonna close the pot now, guys, and let it cook. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit more butter. Yeah. And that's that. Woo! Guys, it looks good. It looks good. Guys, it's finito. This is the finished product.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say